Welcome back to the Den of Tools. Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools, and a happy or merry Christmas Eve to you all. Yeah, it's that time. I know we're in crunch mode, lots of us. So the bear's got for you some hot deals from Lowe's, starting with, I know you're... Shut up, Moto. Jeez. Well, Moto wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas as well. Anyway, that said, let's jump into it. Here we go. Here it is. It is the Blue Hawk 10-inch carbide tip blade, 15-amp portable table saw, $50. Oh my gosh, this is a screaming deal at this price. It's not a great saw. I'm not going to come up and say, hey, this is the best saw you could get. But at $50, if you are really cash crunched and you need a table saw, this is the deal for you at $50. Now it says new lower price, and it doesn't say clearance, but my guess is this has got to be a clearance price. This has got to be them blowing this thing out for something new or something else, because there's no way they're going to continue selling this at $50. There's no money in it for them. So anyway, let us know if they're showing up in your area. There's a few in stock in my area. I did check around. I was able to find one store that didn't have it down near Phoenix. Other stores that did have it in the California and the Montana area. Just basically checking the zip codes that I know. Anyway, let us know down in the comments if you found them. $50. It's not a huge, it's not a really super solid saw. It's a job site kind of saw. It's a portable saw, but it can get the job done at $50. Maybe we can just buy it as a backup. I don't know. Anyway, since I got you here, let's talk about some other clearance items we got here. We got the Rockwell adjustable sawhorse. So this is kind of usually goes along with their clamping station kind of thing. It's actually a pretty cool little setup here. It's normally $70. It's on clearance right now. You can see it marked there, clearance, for $41.98. 40% off. It says it's low in stock, but they have free in-store pickup and free and delivery available. Doesn't say free delivery. Cobalt has the 20-piece 12-point SAE and metric wrench set. This is their ratcheting wrench set for $40 clearance. This is the one that we picked up earlier this spring when they were blowing stuff out. I didn't think we'd see it again at this price. $40 for a 12-piece ratcheting set is not a bad deal. All right, next up we got Metabo. Their 4.5-inch sliding switch corded angle grinder, new lower price there, $30. Now, Metabo is well known for making some decent angle grinders. This one, of course, has a 4.6 star rating. Of course, we usually know how good those star ratings are. That said, though, it's still a Metabo, and, it's a Hitachi Metabo. But anyway, it looks like it's a pretty good quality one. If you guys have one, let us know what you think of it. And last but not least, in our holiday deals, is the Cobalt 6-piece 24-volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, charger included, and 2 batteries for $300. This is going to get you, oh my gosh, this is like your one and done kind of starter set. It comes with, and it says soft case. It's not just a soft case, it's the rolling soft case. So the whole thing folds up like that. You can fit everything in there. Let's see here. 1/2-inch drill. Everything here is brushless. You get a 2-point amp-hour battery, a 4-point amp-hour battery. That's nice. 6 TPI blade, 2 belt clips, 2 bit holders, S2 drill bit, side handle, and bag. Those are your accessories. The kit includes the drill driver, the impact driver, the circ saw, one-handed recip saw, multi-tool, and LED work light. This is for your homeowner and DIYer. This is your beginner kit, and you're just done. These are great DIYer tools, $300, and one and done. It's hard not to go that route. Anyway, there it is. There you go. There's your Christmas Eve last-minute stocking stuffers extravaganza from Lowe's. There's some great deals on there, maybe for yourself, if not for someone else. Better run out there and get it quick. You know the stores are going to be crazy. Yeah, I feel for you. In fact, I have to run out here in just a few minutes, get a few more things for the Cubs, and I'm not looking forward to it. I'm going to try and keep my jolly spirit and not get too grisly with anyone, but it might happen. If you have to eat a shopper or two, is it really that bad a thing? I mean, no one's gonna miss them. They're small and they're tasty. Anyway, that's all I have for you today from the den. And wishing you and yours a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and all the holidays and everything else. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.